Children, let us move forward. What happened? That Sir K, okay, Sir K seized the sword. Seized me, children. He grabbed or captured the sword and ran to their father, leaving a bewildered Arthur behind him. So Sir K seized, he grabbed the sword and ran to their father, leaving a bewildered Arthur behind him. Bewildered means highly confused. Arthur was highly confused. What is happening? Why Sir Kay is running to their father? He said to Sir Ector, their father, 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 this is the sword of the stone, and I have it in my hand. So, see what Sir Kay is saying to his father. Father, father, this is the sword of the stone, and I have it in my hand. I am the rightful king of Britain. It was announced the children who will draw the sword will be announced the what king of right he will be rightly announced the king of Britain. So he said to his father, see, I have it in my hand, the stone, magic stone, sword in the stone is in my hand. I am the rightful king of Britain. Now Sir Ector was a wise man. How did you get hold of this sword, son? What he asked. How did you get hold of this sword, son? He asked his eldest born. Okay, means eldest son. What does that matter? I have it in my hand. Sir means this Sir K is saying, what does that matter? Okay, I have it in my hand. It was meant to be mine. Isn't that enough? It was meant to be mine. I have it in my hand. Okay, so isn't that enough? Isn't it sufficient that I am holding this sword in my hand? K retorted angrily. Okay, retorted means say something that is in a sharp manner. Okay, so he said to his father that what does that matter? I have it in my hand. It was meant to be mine. Isn't that enough? Okay, K retorted. What K retorted means say something the or give answer in a sharp manner. Okay, so K retorted angrily. That is not enough, said the father quietly. Father said, that is not enough. How did you get hold of this sword? So his question again was, how did you get hold of this sword? So children, let us move forward. Come to next page, page number 100. Okay. So what K replied? I have got it, and that is what matters. Okay. What matters is I have got it. K replied in a stubborn. K replied stubborn as ever. Okay, so stubborn as ever like means like always he is a stubborn person. So stubborn means stubborn as ever means like always he is means he behave in a stubborn way. Okay, means disobedient we can say children, or indisciplined way to answer his father in a indisciplined or disobedient way, or we can say he was an adamant person. Okay, stubborn. Okay, let us move forward. Well then, come with me, Sir Ector. Mm, said, okay, well then, come with me, Sir Ector said, and led his son inside the great church which was now empty. Okay, he led his son inside the great church which was now empty, taking the holy book from his choir. Okay, taking the holy book from his choir. Now, children, choir here means the part of the church where the singers, okay, the singers who are singing in the church, they sit during their service, during the period of worship. Okay, that is service. So the choir here means the part of the church where the singers who are singing in the church, they sit during the service. Okay, so he taking the holy book. Okay, holy book of the Christians, it is Bible. Yes, children. So taking the holy book from the choir, Sir Ector said to his son, swear on the holy book that, okay, swear on the holy book. Okay, take a oath on the holy book. Okay, we can say, or we can say promise. Okay, put your hand in this holy book and promise me that whatever you said, that is correct one. Okay, so Ector said to his son, let's take a oath. Okay, swear means take a oath, or we can say kasam lo. बोलते ना kasam lo. Okay, swear in the holy book that you drew the sword from the stone. Okay, you promise me that whatever you said, okay, you take the oath, or we can say you promise me that whatever you said is correct, that you drew the sword from the stone, that is Swear means to kasam lena. Okay. Sir K lowered his eyes. Okay. How could he lie to his father? Okay, and that too, taking putting his hand on the holy book. Okay, how could he say the lie? Sir K lowered his eyes. He could not face his father now. How did you come by the sword, son? Okay, how did you come by the sword, son? Sir Hector asked him once again. Okay, how did you come by the sword? How did you got this sword, son? Said Sir Hector, asked him once again. Okay, Arthur brought it to me, father, sir, said Kay, still with his eyes lowered. Okay, he was saying he was feeling ashamed in front of his father, that he lied to his father. That's why, while giving the answer that Arthur brought it to me, father, said Kay, still with his eyes lowered. Okay, bring Arthur here and let the three of us go to the churchyard. Okay, what his father said, bring Arthur here and let the three of us means who? Sir Hector, then Sir K and the young Arthur. We will go together to the churchyard. Sir Hector told him, we have to know the truth about this. We should know the truth about this. That's why we will together go to the churchyard. Okay, let us move forward. Okay, now what happened, children? Soon the three of them were at the churchyard. Okay, soon the three of them were at the churchyard. Put the sword back on its anvil. Okay, put the sword back on its anvil, Sir Hector said to K. Hector said to his elder son that put the sword back to its anvil. But try as he might, K could not put the sword back. It struck the anvil and slid off the block. Okay, it got struck. Okay, it got struck and the sword struck the anvil and it slid off the block, means it fall off the block. Okay, children. Arthur saw what was happening and thought that his father was angry with them. Okay, Arthur was seeing that what is happening, what all this is happening in the churchyard. That his elder brother, he is trying to put the sword back, but the sword got struck and it fell off the block. So what was happening? He was just thinking, and what he thought that his father was angry with them because he thought the sword was stolen. Okay, see, he was not knowing the that this is a magic stone. Okay, he was not knowing anything what is the significance. He don't know anything. Okay, so he thought that his father was angry because his father thought that this sword is stolen. Chori ka sword hai. Okay, Sir Hector had always told his sons, what matters most for a knight is integrity. Okay, so his father, that is Hector, always teached his sons that always told his sons what matters most for a knight is integrity. Integrity means, children, means honesty. Having honesty and having strong moral principles. Okay, what matters most is integrity means honesty, having strong moral values, moral principles. Okay, so what matters most for a knight is integrity, being honest and truthful at all times. Okay, always be honest and truthful at all times and on all occasions. This was the matter which this was the main thing which Sir Hector told their sons, that always be honest and truthful at all times on all occasions. Okay, Arthur stepped forward impulsively. Okay, Arthur stepped forward impulsively. Impulsively means, children, we can say acting suddenly. Acting suddenly. Here, let me put it back, he said. So suddenly he stepped forward and he said that, let me try it. Okay, let me put it back, he said. And taking the mighty sword from his elder brother, which his elder brother was holding, okay, he thrust it back on the anvil. Thrust means, children, push suddenly, in a violent way pushing it, sudden way pushing it back on the anvil, and it slipped in neatly. So he took the mighty sword from his elder brother, and he thrust it back. Thrust it back means pushed it back. Pushed suddenly. Thrust means to push suddenly. He thrust it back on the anvil, and it slipped in. It didn't get struck. Okay, and slid off as it happened when his brother tried. Okay, so it slipped in neatly. Okay, children, let us move forward. Okay, sorry. Okay, the its slide got changed. Okay, now we are coming to the right side of page number 100. So I assure you, father, okay, I did not steal the sword. What he said? I assure you, father, I did not steal the sword. So children, what Arthur said, I assure you, father, I did not steal the sword. I assure you means, father, I make you sure, I convince in front of you, that I want to convince you, father, I want to make sure you, father. Okay, assure giving assurance means trying to make sure, okay, or trying to convince. So assure you, father, I did not steal the sword. K needed a sword urgently, and I did not want to keep him waiting. What is said that? K needed a sword urgently, and I did not want to keep him waiting. Rather than ride all the way home, rather than to go back all the way home, okay, I decided to take the sword which I found in the churchyard. Okay, what happened? He told to his father what means whatever happened. Okay, children. So he said that I decided to take the sword which I found in the churchyard rather than going back all the way home. And see, it is back in its place now. So this poor fellow Arthur, who was not knowing anything about that magic sword, he said that, okay, I have taken it just for the tournament for my elder brother, and see, I had placed it back again, and it went also. It went back in the anvil. Okay, so and see, it is back in its place now. I fully intended to put it back in place after the tournament. Okay, I fully intended means I fully planned. Okay, my intention was not wrong. Okay, I intended, okay, means I planned to put it back in its place after tournament. And glancing at his brother, he added, glancing means, children, taking a quick look. Okay, quick look at his brother, he added, I am sure that is what K would have told me to do. Okay, I am sure that is what K would have told me to do, wouldn't you, brother? He's saying that whatever I said, that means whatever I did, I am sure that that is what K would have told me to do. Okay, wouldn't you, brother? Sir K did not speak a word. Okay, so after means hearing Arthur, and Arthur was asking that, I am sure that is what K would have told me to do, wouldn't you, brother? So Sir K did not speak a single word. All right, Arthur, I believe you, said his father, Sir Ector. Now let me see you draw that sword out as you did the first time. Okay, so Arthur said, this Sir Ector said, all right, Arthur, I believe you. Okay, now let me see you draw that sword out as you did the first time. I want to see you drawing means dragging the sword out from the anvil as you did the first time. Okay, first you K. So first you K. What Arthur said, first you K. Okay, but try as he might, K could not. First you K. Sir, who said this? Sir Ector said. Okay, first you try, then Arthur will say, try. Okay, but try as he might, K could not so much as grip the handle. But he tried as he might, with all his might he tried. K could not as much as grip the handle. He could not grip the handle means to hold the handle, to grasp the handle. He couldn't do that. And he could not move the sword however hard he tried. He couldn't move the sword however hard he tried. Okay, now it is your turn, Arthur, said Sir Ector sternly. Okay, so his father said, okay, now K tried, na? Father said to try K first. He tried. He couldn't move the sword. So now he said, Arthur, now it is your turn. Arthur, said Sir Hector sternly. Sternly means children in a serious and severe manner. Okay, his father said in a serious and severe manner.